Hello! Alright mga kaakibat, we are here again at ChristianiTEA Bistro dito sa ATT Complex, Torres, Davao City. I guess this is my... Ewan ko, pang ilang balik ko na to dito. Yung huling vlog ko dito sa ChristianiTEA ay ito, yung unlimited chicken and fries na mukbang na ginawa ko. And right now, finally, bumalik naman ako last week dito kaso naubusan sila ng kanilang brand new unlimited nila. And right now, we are here to try this. Tingnan mo. This is what they call the unlimited sisig. Tingnan mo, looks so good, so amazing. Medyo runny lang yung eggs, but that's okay. At least, nakakatulong siya eh. And ito yung freebies nila. Ito yung free nila. Tingnan mo. Ito yung lumpiang Shanghai tsaka yung cordon bleu. So tara guys, let's montage this and tara, let's mukbang. Alright mga kaakibat, so ito na po yung mga in-order ko for just 199 pesos lang, unlimited sisig. Ito na po siya. Ito yung sisig na sinaserve with eggs na yan siya. At ito yung free nila, dalawang lumpiang Shanghai, then 2 pieces of cordon bleu with hot sauce na po. At nag-order din ako ng Black Forest tea. So tingnan mo, 1 liter of Black Forest tea. Alright mga kaakibat, so in our unlimited sisig challenge, let's dig in! Alright mga kaakibat, let's dig in. Before tayo magsimula mag-mukbang, nais ko na magpasalamat sa isang grupo ng mga creators kung saan sila mismong gumawa ng panibago kong YouTube logo. It is really simple, it is really amazing kasi they're really smart pagdating sa paggawa ng mga banners or mga branding sa mga negosyo na kakasimula pa lang. Tatawagin ko na lang silang NFG Creatives. NFG Creatives are a group of creators who's gonna help small businesses or mga YouTubers na kakasimula pa lang just to create their branding sa kanilang mga channels. I would like to thank them always. Thank you so much NFG Creatives for creating my new, brand new YouTube logo. Kudos sa inyo. Guys, first round pa lang ito ha. Okay, so let's try this sisig alone. Let's halo-halo this. Hello guys, unang kagat para sa inyo. Kaon. Okay. Wow. Hindi nga salty but it's really good. Ang dami pa, it's really plenty and it's unlimited ha. Another bite para sa inyo with rice. Nahulog yung sisig sa kamay ko. Okay. Let's try this Black Forest tea. Let's taste this. Okay. Perfect blend for me. So ito yung free nila, 2 pieces of cordon bleu, at 2 pieces ng ito lang. But let's try this again. Let's dip into the hot sauce. The chili powder pa yan. Give it this. Look. Yung chicken cordon bleu. Very good. So, ubos na yung kanin natin. We still have more. Mag-round 2 pa ba tayo? Of course. Ubusin na natin ito. First round not bad. Oh, it's good. It's really good. Nais ko lang pasalamatan ang mga creatives na tumulong sa akin to create my YouTube and Facebook banners. Kasi sila din yung mga creatives na gumagawa ng mga brandings. Ito sila. I'm gonna call them NFG Creatives. NFG Creatives are a group of creators who creates the most amazing branding para sa mga businesses. Kung kayo ay kakasimula pa lang magnegosyo or mga YouTubers na kakasimula pa lang katulad ko at gusto nyo magkaroon ng malupitang branding o malupitang mga logos, punta nyo lang yung Facebook page ng NFG Creatives. At ang link makikita nyo lang sa description box. Okay? So right now, round 2, dalawang rice. Dito sa ChristianiTEA Bistro, ang kanilang unlimited sisig, unlimited rice, tsaka free lumpia at cordon bleu. Naku, napakamura lang, grabe. For just 199 pesos, ma-enjoy nyo na ang unlimited sisig, unlimited rice, tsaka free bistro na dito. Itong Black Forest tea, separate lang siya. Guys, our second round is really sizzle. Panguli na to, so which means, enjoy na natin to. Sisig naman eh, grabe. Halo-halo. Right now, let's try their lumpia. Okay. Not bad. Shanghai. This is really good Shanghai. I love it. Tahan tayo. Ubusin na natin. Enjoy na natin ito. Gusto nyo pumunta sa ChristianiTEA Bistro dito mismo sa kanilang resto. Again, it's in Torres Street, Davao City, ATT Complex, tabi lang ng Pheonix gasoline station. Yung address nila, makikita nyo lang sa description box, pati ng kanilang Facebook page. Ito, yung Facebook page nila. I'm almost on the limit right now, but gusto na lang natin ito. Babaan na. One last cordon bleu, dip in the sauce. Tada! This is what we have left. I guess 3 or 4 bites na lang. Sige, kaya na natin ito. I'm super full na. Grabe. So for now, since we only have a few bites left, but I would like to say thanks to ChristianiTEA Bistro for having this amazing meal. I'm gonna comment them later after all of my meals, okay? I'm just super full right now, so guys, okay, and also guys, tingnan mo, we're already done with our second round of our sisig. Okay. Oh, grabe. Sige lang, let's finish this one off cam, and I will give you the verdict later. Pagdating natin sa bahay, okay?
next day.
Alright mga kaakibat, what's up sa inyo? Okay, since pumunta tayo ng ChristianiTEA Bistro sa Torres Street, Davao City, grabe off-cam, let me tell you honestly, masarap yung food nila, of course, provided na affordable sila at pangmasa yung presyohan nila doon. Okay, so sa aking experience doon, actually it's kind of like a little my fault kasi kapadami yung kanin eh. but meron akong mga suggestions sa kanilang unlimited sisig. Again, for just 199 pesos, talagang napakasulit talaga. Unlimited sisig at unlimited rice. Tsaka yung freebie nila na lumpia, tsaka yung chicken cordon bleu. Kahit konti lang, basta okay lang. Pandagdag, di ba? I'm gonna still rate them 100 over 10. Yun, 100 over 10 stars. Bakit? So, presyohan pa lang. Okay na yung presyohan nila, 199 pesos. O, magdagdag ka lang ng drinks mo, additional cost, ganun. Ang suggestion ko lang sa sisig is, number 1, yung egg na nilagay nila doon sa sisig, medyo ipa-well done pa ng konti. Yun lang. Number 2, kailangan may konting asim pa on the process of cooking. Kasi yun yung hinahanap ko noon sa isang sisig kung kumakain ako doon. So diyan nilagyan ko na lang yung kalamansi para at least man lang may konting asim, but still it's good. And number 3, make sure na konting crispiness. Yun lang. Konting crispiness. Yan yung hinahanap ko sa sisig. But again, for 199 pesos, sulit na sulit yan. Again, ChristianiTEA Bistro has the most affordable food na sinaserve nila. Again, from unlimited chicken, unlimited rice, unlimited fries. Pwede sila sisig tsaka rice din. Unlimited din. Okay, so yan lang muna guys sa ating food vlog. Someday, kung in-improve nila yung sisig ng konti, nakakabalik ako doon. At guys, sa mga gustong magsubaybay sa ating Robert Peter channel, all you need to do is to do like this. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to ring a bell para updated kayo. Okay guys, all the way here to my office, bedroom. See you again next time. Bye-bye.